Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Queen Carnivore channel. Today, we're diving into the carnivore diet, especially tailored for women. If you've ever wondered what it's like to eat only animal products, or are curious about how this diet could transform your health and fitness, you're in the right place. We're going to break down everything you need to know about starting the carnivore diet as a woman, from the essential foods to include, to how to handle the transition, and even some tips to make the journey smoother. Whether you're looking to improve your health, lose weight, or just challenge yourself with a new eating style, this video will provide you with all the guidance you need. So, if you're ready to explore the ins and outs of the carnivore diet for women, let's get started and see what this diet is all about. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's jump right in. Starting the carnivore diet simplifies your grocery list dramatically, since you'll focus on animal-based foods. Here's what you should look for when you hit the store, making sure you have all the essentials for a successful carnivore diet. Beef, steaks, ground beef, roasts, and organ meats like liver for nutrient density. Poultry, chicken, turkey, and duck. Opt for whole birds where possible as they provide more variety and nutrients. Pork. Look for chops, ribs, and bacon. Remember to check for added sugars in bacon. Fish and seafood. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and shellfish are great for their high omega-3 content. Eggs. A versatile and nutrient-rich option. They're perfect for adding variety to your meals. Dairy. If tolerated, select high-fat options like butter, cream, and hard cheeses. When you are shopping for these items, here are a few tips to make your life a little easier and help you get better results. Quality matters. Whenever possible, choose grass-fed, pasture-raised, and wild-caught animal products. They're not only better for your health, but also for the environment. Bulk buying. Consider buying larger cuts of meat or even whole animals if you have adequate storage. This can be more economical and ensures you have a steady supply of meat. Local sources. Explore local farms or butchers. They often offer the freshest, highest quality options, and you can usually find items that aren't available in regular stores. Freezing. Make sure your freezer is ready to store bulk meats. Freezing is a great way to extend the freshness of your purchases. Preparation. Some prefer to prepare and portion meats for the week. This could mean making burger patties, cutting steaks, or marinating chicken to be ready for quick cooking options throughout the week. With this list and these tips, shopping for the carnivore diet can be straightforward and stress-free. Keep your meals simple and focus on the quality of the ingredients to get the most out of your carnivore experience. When you're following the carnivore diet, the focus is strictly on animal products, which means there's a whole list of typical food items that you'll need to avoid. Sticking to this can help you reap the benefits of the diet more effectively. Here's a quick guide on what to leave off your plate. Vegetables and fruits. All types of plant-based foods are excluded. This means no salads, smoothies, or plant snacks. Grains. Say goodbye to bread, pasta, rice, cereals, and any other products made from grains. Legumes. Beans, lentils, peas, and peanuts aren't allowed since they are plant-based. Nuts and seeds. These are plant-derived and contain phytates excluded from the carnivore diet. Dairy, for some. While some dairy is permissible, many people choose to avoid it due to lactose intolerance or to further simplify their diet. Sugars and sweeteners. No sugar, honey, syrups, or artificial sweeteners. The diet emphasizes eliminating any form of sugar. Processed foods, anything processed or containing non-animal additives should be avoided. This includes sausages or bacon with additives and preservatives. The goal of the carnivore diet is to reduce inflammation, allergic reactions, and to simplify digestion by focusing on nutrient-dense animal products. Avoiding these foods helps achieve these goals by eliminating common allergens and irritants found in plants and processed items. Remember, the key to succeeding on the carnivore diet is adherence to these guidelines, ensuring you're eating only animal-based products. This might take some adjustment, but many find the simplification of dietary choices to be liberating and beneficial to their health. Starting the carnivore diet can be a big step, especially for women who are used to more conventional ways of eating. Here's a detailed guide on how to transition to the carnivore diet effectively, ensuring you maintain good health and enjoy the benefits it has to offer. Clear out non-carnivore foods. Begin by removing all non-animal food products from your kitchen. This helps avoid temptation and makes meal planning easier. Stock up on essentials. Fill your fridge and pantry with high-quality meats, fish, eggs, and permissible dairy products. Opt for grass-fed and organic options if possible. Plan your meals. While the diet is simple, planning is still important. Plan your meals around different types of meats and fish to ensure variety and prevent boredom. Cook simply. Start with basic cooking methods like grilling, roasting, and frying. Use salt and animal fats for seasoning to keep in line with the diet's principles. Monitor your body's response. Pay close attention to how your body reacts to the diet. Some might experience a transition period known as the keto flu with symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and irritability. This is normal as your body adjusts to a different source of energy. Here are a few tips to help with the transition to the carnivore diet. Stay hydrated. Increase your water intake to help your kidneys process a higher protein load. Consider supplements. Initially, you might need supplements like magnesium, potassium, and salt to balance electrolytes, especially if you experience keto flu symptoms. Listen to your body. Adjust the types and amounts of meat based on how you feel. Everyone's needs are different, so personalizing the diet is key. Seek support. Join online forums, groups, or connect with other women who are also exploring the carnivore diet. Sharing experiences and tips can be incredibly helpful. Start slow by eliminating sugar and processed foods. Before going full carnivore, cut out sugars and processed foods to ease the transition. Next, reduce vegetable intake. Gradually reduce the number of vegetables and fruits you consume daily. Finally, eliminate all plant foods. Once you're comfortable, fully transition to an all-animal product diet. By following these steps and tips, women can confidently embark on their carnivore diet journey. Remember, it's important to consider this a personal journey, where listening to your body and adjusting the diet to your specific needs will lead to the best outcomes. Whether you're looking to improve your health or just challenge your eating patterns, the carnivore diet offers a unique approach to nutrition. As we wrap up our guide to starting the carnivore diet for women, remember that this journey is about exploring a simpler way to eat that focuses solely on animal products. If you're a beginner, it's important to go at your own pace, listen to your body, and be mindful of getting all the nutrients you need. We've covered everything from the basic rules of the diet and the types of foods to embrace and avoid to meal planning tips and how to handle social situations. With these tools, you're well equipped to embark on this diet with confidence and clarity. Whether you're looking to improve your health, manage your weight, or simply challenge your eating habits, the carnivore diet offers a path many women find rewarding. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider to tailor the diet to your individual health needs, and here's to your success on this meaty adventure. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a clear start on your journey with the carnivore diet. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future guides. Have questions or want to share your experiences? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. See you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into thriving on a carnivore lifestyle.